Hello, thanks for joining me for another review. Right, today we're going to the Flying Monkeys Brewery. They're out of Ontario in Canada, and this is their Transmission Milkshake IPA. 6.3% ABV, 60 IBUs. I've gone for a third of this one. Yeah, a Canadian craft brewery in the UK, and on draft again. So happy Canadian Day to all of my American friends. But anyway, yeah, here it is. So it's quite clear, kind of a orangey, light orange colour. Nice lacing on the glass, again aroma. You can already tell just in the aroma it's very sweet. Kind of there's definitely an orange thing going on, but I'm getting more of a kind of a like a candied sugar. There's a hint of coconut. Yeah, these guys into the Barrie, Ontario. I think I said it. Let's give it a try. Cheers. Very sweet. I was going to go for 2/3, and then I had a taste and I was like, yeah, go for a third. It's very, I say, like candied sugar, hints of coconut. It's slightly dank, I suppose, but not overly. But yeah, it's drinking very easy. You're not getting any of the ABV in this one or now like that. Is there a commercial description on this one? It just says this beer is brewed with lactose sugar, grapefruit, orange peel, coconut, and white tea. So, give a shout out to some of my American friends, Canadian friends. Yeah, Greg, Chris, who else has had this beer? Yeah, Ashley. I don't know if Lee Russell's had this one or not. I would imagine that Chad has probably had this one. I'm just going by Untapped, there's only 3 names come up. So Greg, on the 10th, Chris, and Ashley. So maybe Joe's had it, I don't know. But yeah, this is it's very sweet.
I would at least bring them in, so it's not
it's very, it's bordering sickly sweet. Potentially for you, but for me it's not working out too bad. I don't think I could drink like a whole 500ml cans of here. So here's the can. They've got a load of beers in for Canada Day, which is going to be tomorrow. By the time you see this, it would have been done and dusted. But yeah, pretty cool artwork on the can. So, any other notes? Well, there is that very orangey-ness to it, but it's the lactose sugar in this is potentially masking a few things that you may want to taste. But that's just my palate. That's just me. So, rating-wise, I'm going to give this a 3.75. So that's a 7.5 out of 10 on the Untapped scale. Untapped generally says, well, 12 of my friends have had this. It's coming in at 3.77. And it's had a total of 6,510 ratings as we speak. Coming in at 3.79, so not much difference. We're at 3.75, so good beer. It's worth a try if you like your sweet IPAs. That kind of lacto-y, kind of candy sugar kind of thing. This could be one for you. Check out the Ghost Wells where I am now reviewing this beer in South London. And check out Flying Monkeys as well. I'll put all the links down below. Thanks for watching in, and I'll see you on the next review. Cheers.